Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Use for Tunes. Today we will discuss about access the file via Google Calendar. Access the file via Google Calendar. In Google Meet. In the Google Meet, is scheduled ahead of time using Google Calendar. A link to the recording is attached to the calendar. Event for all meeting participants to access simply open Google Calendar and select the event. You will see a link directly to the recording in both the events pop-up window and full detail page. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.